Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, update Mobile Legends to the latest version and restart the app. Make sure your device runs Android or iOS with dark mode available. Close background apps to free memory for settings to apply smoothly. Check that you have roughly 2 minutes before entering settings. If you use a custom launcher, switch to the default launcher temporarily. This prevents theme conflicts between the system and the game. Open Mobile Legends and tap the profile icon to access settings. Select Interface or Display from the Settings menu to find theme options. Look for Night Mode or Dark Theme and toggle it on to apply. Confirm any prompts that ask to restart the user interface. Wait for the theme to install and then restart the game for changes to take full effect. Verify the menus and lobby now show the darker colors for reduced eye strain. If Mobile Legends lacks a night toggle, enable Device Dark Mode in System Settings. On Android, enable Force Dark in Developer Options to apply dark themes across apps. Clear the game cache and app settings if the night theme does not apply properly. Reinstall Mobile Legends as a last resort to refresh configuration files and resolve theme bugs. If issues persist, contact game support with your device model, OS version, and app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.